Hey guys, this is Vishal and welcome to this video where I'm going to talk about a student who just joined the stock market after COVID and completely transformed his life by doing the trading, by doing the program and by learning technicals from us. And it's a very inspiring story, especially अगर आप मेहनत कर रहे हो, आप कुछ और बिजनेस कर रहे हो या कुछ और जॉब कर रहे हो और उसके साथ साथ में अगर आप चाहते हो कि आप ट्रेडिंग में भी सक्सेस करो, तो लेट्स इनवाइट अशरथ. And I have with him on my screen. Ashrath, where are you from?
I'm from Ludhiana, sir.
Ludhiana. क्या करते हो आप?
Sir, we are into manufacturing of motorcycles, scooters, bicycle parts for OEMs across the country like Hero, TVS, Suzuki.
Okay. And what is? How did you come to? How did you get into trading? How long have you been trading?
So I recently started trading since the COVID lockdown last year. Even though it's an unfortunate event, but for me, it's been fortunate that I joined trading and then I got to know about you through
Great.
some of my links here. Yes, sir.
So, what is your when you join this one-year program? आप Trader Academy 3.6 batch में हो. So, what is the intention or the dream when you are joining this program? What is the intention?
So, sir, my intention is to become a full-time trader. That is one of my biggest goals. I got introduced to you through one of my friends, Avi, who told me about Mr. Vivek Bajaj, and you were giving your grandfather, father, son strategy, which was like love at first sight. And
wow.
That is how I really got introduced to trading, and I really enjoyed. And since then, I've been following you, and it's been inspiring. And things have been happening the way it's been happening. And slowly, I started realizing that this is what I really want to do in my life. So my intention is very, very clear to become a full-time trader, sir.
So if I ask you, what is the number one obstacle you would have faced or you are facing before joining us in trading?
So number one obstacle, I think, would be the mindset part.
Okay.
Because that is something I was not at all exposed to before I joined the TIM program. And I was making money, I was losing money. It was happening like that. And I did not have the patience, the mindset to, the quote that you say, be compassionate about your profits and be ruthless with your losses. I never thought it that way, never did that. So with Meghna ma'am's sessions and on, the Trader Success Pyramid, the reading recommendations, it's been amazing, sir. I'm loving it.
Now, let me ask you a very simple, very deep question I would like to ask you if you have reflect upon. Okay, describe the old you versus the new you so far.
Wow. So, sir, I think the old me was a person who would see, the glass half empty, instead of seeing the glass half full. The That's new good. Me is looking at all the positives around me, even though there are so many, sir, unfortunate events in this times of COVID. Many of my families or friends are suffering. And unfortunately, these things are happening, but deep inside, I am so positive that nothing around me is affecting me in that way. I mean,
that's fantastic.
I mean, I'm really, actually, I'm enjoying the lockdown period by, loving this time with you and with trading and with the learning about myself, the mindset part. And I mean, there's a big transformation in me, sir. I've become a really positive person.
Well, that's great. Now, this is a good way of being positive right now compared to what.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So I would ask that what three things made the most difference in you, like the most impact in you in the last few months of joining the program? I know it's still early in the program, but what are the three major things which impacted you the most?
So I think so the three major things. The number one thing I think that impacted me the most is that you have taught us how to put a stop loss.
Oh, wow.
I think that is the number one thing, sir, since I have joined the program. And I think, sir, the live market support that you give us, it is so impactful. It is so crisp. In the first 5 minutes, we are able to understand what is going to happen during the day, which sectors will perform, which will not. Doesn't matter. Nifty goes sideways. Doesn't matter. We know how to make money.
Wow.
It is amazing, sir. It is amazing. So that is the second thing.
How would you see your different future as a person, as a human being?
Oh, sir, as a human being, as a person, I think I have transformed a little bit. Maybe I'm there 50% to what I should be. There are a lot of areas where I need to work on. I think I'm still lazy about making my daily journals and about my daily day-to-day routine. And I need to work on a lot of things which I'm learning through the program. And I think my future self, I see myself, as a more calm, composed, patient person, reach that stage of poise, where even if I'm making 5 lakhs or 10 lakhs in a trade, it doesn't matter. It's a normal thing. I'm following the process. And the
Fantastic. Focus on the process, not on the profit.
Yes. Sir.
Yes.
That's
All right. So if I have to ask you, like I have some of your trades, which are just good snapshots of those. So can I share that right now on screen?
Sure.
Tata Motors was the recent trade. I think we did, I think 2 days back.
Yes, sir.
On the call.
Yes,
yeah. Or maybe you must have done future, right?
This is TVS Motors, sir, actually.
This is TVS Motors. Sorry. Oh,
yes,
I missed that. Yes, the second is, this is Tata Motors call, 72,000. Sorry. Yeah, that's the one which we took, I think, yesterday. And
right,
there's one more PVR April futures, which is also good. Yes. Now, these are some snapshots. I know it is not enough, or it is just the beginning, actually. So, but
yes, sir.
It's not the amount of money which you have made, but the confidence which you build in doing this trade, and you know why you are doing the trade. The biggest problem or the challenge right now people would be facing, because we are kind of a bull market, and you buy anything and it goes up, and when you make money, you feel you are an expert. That has happened to so many people. It happens usually in a bull market. But when you have analyzed something the way we are doing, then you put the order, then you focus on the process, then you put the stop loss, and then you make money. The satisfaction level is completely different, because now you got the process which made money, and the process is repeatable. It can be repeated again and again consistently for the rest of your life. And that is the main confidence which is we are here to build in you as a coach, as a mentor. I hope you get that. Make sense?
Absolutely, sir. The top bottom strategy, it is, I've been doing paper trading. I haven't traded top bottom other than Bank Nifty. But the trade of Tata Steel, it is, I get goosebumps. It is impossible that I could ever make that much money in a share. And it's amazing, sir. It's amazing.
That much money is being made by the people who are in your previous batch right now.
Yes, sir. Yes,
yes. So what, if I ask you, how would you describe the program to your friends? Let's say you're not recommending us, let's say you're not promoting us, or kind of any kind of this thing. Just you want to describe the program, how would you describe it?
Sir, I would describe it as a full-time course on, it's a 360-degree course which works on your technicals, but more importantly, it works on you. Your personality development, the kind of person you become out of the course. You become a much more calm, patient, and a better person, where you are able to live your life with more fulfillment. You're more happy, and that is, I think, the main crux of the whole everything that you do around you. So,
yes, and what specifically would you say when recommending us? Like, what would you say about, let's say, about us as a coaches, or our team as a Malkanzu team?
So I think, sir, it's amazing. You as a coach, Meghna ma'am, and your team, everybody's fabulous in the way they have been helping us out. I know you've grown big, and my energies to you to grow even bigger, but still the kind of feedback and the kind of answers that we get on our questions, hum kuch bhi puchte hain, immediately response aata hai. It's amazing, sir. My feedback is 10 on 10 or 11 on 10 to you, sir.
Oh, great. I truly honor and appreciate your effort and your enthusiasm and your commitment into the program. Many people join the program, but they are not as committed or as enthusiastic as you are. And that's why somewhere they lose interest or lose the momentum, and somewhere they get diverted to other things in life. And as you said, it's a full-time course. It's not just about trading, it's about everything in life, right? Yes. Now, one last question is, what are you grateful for in your life right now?
So, for in my life right now, I think I'm grateful for my 3-year-old son that God has given me. And, I have a beautiful wife, and I have a beautiful joint family, my parents, my brother. Everybody's fit and fine. Everybody's doing well. Everything is great. And I am thankful for the health that we all have. thankful to you that you are healthy and wise and your family is great. I'm thankful to God for all of that. That is the biggest thing that I'm grateful for right now with this unprecedented times that we have around us.
Wow, and that is the main thing right now. That's always the main thing, but now we realized.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
COVID made us realize that we just need good health and good people to love around us, and our family members are safe and secure, and that's the biggest blessing or the biggest kind of divine power we have right now. So Ashrat,
Yes,
I had so much fun doing this interview. I completely honor your commitment, and I'm looking forward to have more interviews with you as you grow and prosper in this program and become not only a full-time trader, a successful full-time trader, but also a good human being and be a good father and a husband and a son and a brother and also a businessman. Thank you for joining today. Good luck. Yeah.
Actually, my brother is right here, and he's also a big fan. My family is a big fan, but he just wants 2 of your minutes to talk to you.
Sure.
Hello, sir.
Hi.
So nice of you to giving us this opportunity.
Thank you so much.
Have a one-to-one with you. It's truly a pleasure. मैं सिर्फ इतना बोलना चाहूँगा कि अश्रुत का जर्नी, क्योंकि हमारे फादर साहब and myself, we are cash equity traders part time because हमारा main काम focus is on business. You know, father's into business for 40 years. I've been in business for over 15 years. तो हमारा काम ऑटो पास में ट्रैक्टिंग. अश्रुत बिजनेस में रिसेंटली आया एंड इसने भी हमें थोड़ा देखा कि यार कैश इक्विटी होता है, चलो कैश इक्विटी करते हैं, बाय ऑन डिप्स, सस्ता है तो अच्छा है और खरीद दो, एंड फिर या तो लॉसेस में निकल जाओ या थोड़े से प्रॉफिट में निकल जाओ, मतलब अच्छा किया, एंड देन सेल्फ सेटिस्फाइंग योरसेल्फ कि हाँ यार हमने बहुत अच्छा ट्रेड किया. लेकिन जब अश्रुत आया एंड ही इज एन एमबीए यू नो फ्रॉम पिट्सबर्ग एंड ही इज अ इंजीनियर फ्रॉम VIT, सो इसका जो एनालिटिक्स स्किल्स जो मैंने देखा कि यार नहीं, तेरे को ये नहीं करना चाहिए, दिस इज ओल्ड स्कूल जो हम लोग करते हैं लुधियाना में, पुराना काम है, तो कुछ देख. तो अश्रुत स्टार्टेड एक्सप्लोरिंग एंड देन ही एक्सप्लोर्ड, जैसे आपसे इन टच आया और एक दो लोगों से इन टच आया, थोड़ा बहुत फॉलो करना शुरू किया. पहला प्रोग्राम आपका किया ऑप्शन चैलेंज वाला, जो आपका पहला इससे पहले प्रोग्राम, तो उससे भी आया, उससे इसको बहुत समझ आया, बट दैट वाज अ न्यू थिंग टू हिम. फिर टिम आया, तो टिम में ही वाज नॉट श्योर कि भैया नहीं, टिम है फाइनेंशियल एंड फिजिकल मेंटल कमिटमेंट बहुत ज्यादा है, बिजनेस में दे पाऊंगा कि नहीं. मैंने कहा देख, तेरे में स्पार्क जो सर से आ रहा है ना, वो मैं देख रहा हूँ, तू, मैं आउटसाइडर हूँ, मैं देख सकता हूँ वो स्पार्क तेरे में. यू हैव दैट स्पार्क व्हेन यू आर विद हिम इन द लाइव मार्केट इन दिस थिंग. वो मेरे में नहीं, मेरे फादर साहब में नहीं, पर तेरे में मुझे, सो यू शुड गो फॉर इट. So he went for it, and sir, I have seen that transformation जो अश्रुत बता रहा है. It is amazing, it is mind blowing. And आपके जो you know जो 10x 100x nuggets जो आप बीच में देते हैं, you know, buy high and sell higher, जो हम कभी यहाँ बैठे सोच भी नहीं सकते थे, you know, all those things जो हम एक ट्रेडिशनल वे में हम कैश इक्विटी में करते हैं. So totally sir innovative. You are sir getting blessings from all of us, and you will grow sir 10x 100x in the coming times. And जो आप फैला रहे हैं सर, दिस you know, not just the financial but the positivity जो आप सर दे रहे हैं. मुझे तो एक बार अश्रुत ने थोड़ी देर पहले बताया सर, जो आप एक मॉर्निंग में जो आप you know you do it the I think आप कहते हैं उसको the pledge. So that is so wonderful. मतलब वो जो लोग अपनी दुकान खोलते हैं, जो वो भगवान को करते हैं, वही चीज ये pledge है. It is so powerful. जो फीलिंग्स उसके अंदर हैं, it is unbelievable. So thank you so much sir for this time.
थैंक यू फॉर ज्वाइनिंग. एंड मैं आपका थैंक यू करना चाहूंगा, क्योंकि बहुत कम होते हैं जो ये ट्रेडिंग वर्ल्ड में फैमिली मेंबर्स एक आदमी को सपोर्ट करे ट्रेडर बनने के लिए और फुल टाइम ट्रेडिंग के लिए. जनरली लोग अपोज करते हैं, तो और सपोर्ट के बिना होता नहीं है. तो फैमिली मेंबर्स का बहुत बड़ा रोल है हर एक इंसान के सपोर्ट में. जैसे मेरे में भी फैमिली सपोर्ट करती है, मेरी वाइफ भी मेरे साथ है. जब तक सपोर्ट नहीं मिलता है, तब तक आप कितना भी ये कर लो, नहीं होता है. सो आई एम थैंकफुल दैट यू आर आल्सो सपोर्टिंग. एंड
गॉड से बहुत रिस्की लगा मुझे जब मैं इसको पुश कर रहा था, मुझे बहुत रिस्की लगा. मैंने कहा कुएं में तो नहीं पुश कर रहा इसको, कहीं ऐसा ना हो मेरे को निकालना पड़े इसको वहां से, बाद में मेरे ऊपर ना. बट सर आई सॉ द स्पार्क इन हिम एंड आई सॉ दैट जो आपकी और इसके साथ जो ट्यूनिंग है, दैट वाज मैजिकल सर, मैजिकल. सो मैंने कहा सर लेट्स गो फॉर इट. एंड बिकॉज आपने इसको लेट एंट्री करने का भी, ज्वाइन करने का दिया सर, तो आपने सो मच थैंकफुल फॉर दैट.
थैंक यू.
वो स्टार्टिंग में डिसीजन नहीं ले पाया था, फिर मैंने इसको पुश किया, फिर डिसीजन लिया. सर इट इज ट्रांसफॉर्मेशनल सर. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर
थैंक यू सो मच.
So look forward for joining today. Communications and sir, gratitude for that.
Thank you so much. All the best. Good luck and good trading, Ashrat.
Thank
See
you,
you
sir.
soon in the next video.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.